In this video, I'll show you how to send money using the Western Union app step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to send money using the Western Union app, first, you need to install the Western Union app from the Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app on your device. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Tap the menu button in the top right corner and click Join or Register. When registering, double-check all your details so they match your ID. Once you're registered and logged in, the first step is to select the country of the person you're sending money to. If the page isn't visible immediately, tap the menu button and click Send Money. When selecting the receiver's country, you can type it in or find it on the list. Next, enter the amount of money you want to send. This will be in your currency. Then choose how your receiver will receive the money. Options typically include cash, bank account, or mobile wallet. Cash means your receiver will pick up the money from a Western Union location. Bank account transfers go directly into their account. For this tutorial, I'll select cash. After that, select your payment method. Each option shows the fee and exchange rate. I recommend paying directly in the app, as other methods are usually more expensive. I'll choose to pay via bank transfer in the app. Scroll down to see how much your receiver will get. This is very important to check because the amount depends on your selections. Paying in-store or using different options could reduce what your recipient receives. You can test different choices to see the effect. Even small differences can matter depending on the sum you're sending. If everything in the summary looks correct, click Continue. You might see a fraud warning pop up. If everything is accurate, click Accept. Then enter the receiver's details. If you're not sending money to yourself, click Add a new receiver. Enter their first and last name and select the purpose of the transaction. Accuracy is essential, especially for cash transfers, as your receiver's ID must match these details. After entering the receiver's information, the next step is to enter your payment details. This includes adding your bank account directly in the app. Make sure all the information is accurate, as this is how the app will process your transfer. Take a moment to double-check your account number, sort code, and any other required fields so everything matches your bank records. Once your bank details are entered, the app will show you a summary of the payment, including the fees and the exact amount your receiver will get. Finally, review all the transfer and payment details carefully. Confirm that the receiver's name, the amount, the payment method, and any reference numbers are correct. Once you're confident everything is accurate, hit the Confirm button to complete the transaction. This ensures that your money is sent securely and will be available for your receiver according to the chosen method. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.